Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of to install a new faucet. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest kitchen innovations. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 3 hand screw kitchen faucets, so let's get started. Do you need plumber's putty to install a new faucet or not? Well, it is completely a plumber's choice to decide whether it is a good choice to use plumber's putty during a faucet installation. Although it is the most suitable choice in most cases, but still, it is not a universal additive to use while installing a new faucet. Plumber's putty is made up of a pliable substance and it is used as a sealant in plumbing. The main purpose of this putty is to provide watertight seals around faucets and drains, and especially when installing new faucets to protect any kind of leakage that may cause rusting. Plumber's putty is one of the most simple and handy components present in a plumber's tool bag. So, do you need plumber's putty to install a new faucet? And to answer this question, it is still the plumber's right to select tools that are necessary in their plumbing work. A plumber's putty provides a very thin layer that is required for maintaining a watertight seal, and it is also not very dense. So, during the installation process, it is not recommended to use this putty for filling wide gaps. Plumber's putty is an alternative for various types of caulks, which provides the same type of effectiveness as most of these caulks do. Plumber's putty is non-adhesive and a plumber needs not to wait for it to dry. Another advantage of plumber's putty is that it is easy to remove and very helpful, especially when you need to replace an old faucet with the new one. Caulks were made as a substitute and more effective component in plumbing work, but still there are many situations in which a plumber's putty is the best option than these caulks. Plumber's putty is an inexpensive tool and is used to block the areas that are exposed to unpressurized water. Thereby it prevents seepage and leakages. These are extremely important to make full waterproof ceilings, especially when installing new faucets. The reason behind this is that if plumber's putty is not used while installing new faucets, then leakages might occur, which impacts the life cycle of a faucet. It is highly recommended to use these putties so that to protect your faucets from any kind of leaks and seeps from the very beginning. The use of a plumber's putty is very simple, and these are mostly shaped by hands in the form of a circular ball. Before putting it on a faucet body, it is better to first clean and scoops it out with hands. After this, roll the putty back and forth along a suitable diameter required by your pipe. Gently press, then rope so that it would not be displaced and will provide a firm seal to the pipe. At last, you simply put that part into its required position and the putty will be squeezed within that part. After tightening, if some portion of putty is bending from the edges, use cutter to dispatch that portion of putty. Here you have everything you need to know about plumber's putty. Well, might not be everything, but certainly most of the things. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!